Welcome to Consumer Flix, your trusted source for the best tech reviews and buying tips. Helicopter. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best drones of 2025 featuring cutting-edge designs, advanced features, and unmatched performance. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these drones are sure to impress. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome drone reviews and expert recommendations. Number 5. DJI Phantom 4 Pro. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro is a professional-grade drone known for its exceptional imaging capabilities and robust performance. It features a 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second and capturing stunning stills with rich detail and dynamic range. The mechanical shutter eliminates rolling shutter distortion, making it ideal for high-speed shots and professional videography. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes and DJI's Lightbridge HD transmission system, the Phantom 4 Pro provides a stable live video feed up to 7 kilometers away. Advanced obstacle sensing with a 5-directional system ensures safer and more confident flights. Intelligent flight modes like Active Track, Tap Fly, and Draw empower creators to produce complex, cinematic shots effortlessly. Built with a durable magnesium alloy chassis and precision engineering, the Phantom 4 Pro is a reliable tool for aerial photographers and filmmakers seeking unparalleled quality and performance. Number 4. DJI Mavic Pro. The DJI Mavic Pro is a compact and versatile drone designed for both hobbyists and professionals, offering exceptional performance in a portable design. Equipped with a 12MP camera and a 3-axis gimbal, it captures sharp photos and smooth 4K video at 30 frames per second. The drone's folding design makes it highly portable, perfect for creators on the go. Number 3. DJI Spark. The DJI Spark is a compact and beginner-friendly drone designed for effortless flying and quick aerial photography. Despite its small size, it features a 12MP camera that captures sharp photos and full HD 1080p videos, stabilized by a 2-axis gimbal for smooth and professional-looking footage. Its quick launch capability, using face-aware technology, allows it to take off from your palm and hover in seconds. Number 2. Parrot Bebop. The Parrot Bebop is a lightweight and compact drone designed for beginner to intermediate pilots who want to explore aerial photography and videography. It features a 14MP fisheye camera capable of capturing 1080p Full HD videos and high-quality stills, offering a wide 180 degrees field of view. The drone's digital stabilization technology ensures smooth and stable footage, even during dynamic flights. Number 1. DJI Avida. The DJI Avida is an innovative FPV, first-person view, drone designed for immersive and dynamic aerial experiences. Compact and built for agility, it features a rugged frame with integrated propeller guards, making it ideal for tight spaces and high-speed flights. The Avida is equipped with a 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor that captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and 48MP photos, delivering vibrant and sharp visuals with excellent low-light performance. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter. Which long-lasting drone from our list caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert reviews and tips. See you in the next video.